So now today we're talking about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the whole market. We're going to talk about the whole market, right? I'm just getting back in town, so I decided to let's get back on this crypto journey. Though I post all throughout, but this is my first live in about 6 days. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently, last time I checked, it was at 91 to 92,000. We had somewhat of a flash crash. Let me repeat. We had a flash crash. Bitcoin was up to about 94, 95K. Just this morning or yesterday, it went down, depending on where you're at in the world. It went down, flash crash to 91K. Now, I've been saying that Bitcoin itself is if it get above 94, 95K, which it was for about 3 days, 2 to 3 days, that we're headed up. I still believe that Bitcoin is going to head up past 100,000. But I still remain on the thesis as if Bitcoin is in a bull trap. Bitcoin is in a bull trap. Now, a lot of people don't want to hear that. They want the market to go up and up and up and up. Based on the chartings and what I'm seeing, it look like 2026 is a bottoming year. Let me repeat. 2026, the way it's looking, it looks as if that it's a bottoming year. Hey, Crypto Doe, what does that mean? What does bottoming mean? Well, a bottoming year is basically downside to the previous year. 2025, Bitcoin went all the way up to $125,000, all the way up to $125,000. So if Bitcoin went up to 125K, what do you think? Do you think it's going to go up forever? I think that 2026 is going to be a retracement year. I think it's going to be a bottoming before we go another leg. I'm talking about maybe in the 175 to 200K Bitcoin, right? So we have the bottoming year, and then we're gonna have while everything is recovering. So all of 2026, I'm still gonna be buying. We got quite a few people in here. Smash that like button, get the likes up, subscribe to the channel. I'm Crypto Doe once again, here to share everything I know with you guys, so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. Matt T.O. Albino said, hey, what's going on? Smash that like button, smash that like button. Also, check out my crypto merch. Check out my crypto merch. It's going to be in the description, or you can just check out my page and go to, you're going to see the links to my merch, right? Check out my merch and also check out my crypto guide. I think people need to learn about this space. People need to learn about this space. So, with that being said, Bitcoin is currently at 91,000. I still have it going up based on the Fibonacci to 100, maybe to 105,000. After that, I believe that we're going to head lower. I'm going to be buying Bitcoin and crypto all of this year. I got out most of my positions. When Bitcoin went down to about 85K. I said, okay, I'll get out most of my position, but I still keep some cash on the side to be accumulating this year. Right? I'm going to add to my Bitcoin bag, add to my Zora. I got enough XRP, maybe get some reactive token. Um, it's another one, some Linea, just to name a few. Let me know what cryptos you guys have and what crypto you're holding. What crypto you guys are invested in? Is it ADA? Is it some meme coins? I like to invest in utility, but that's a whole nother story. I would much rather invest in utility. So, with that being said, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Like I say, Bitcoin to me this year, or crypto space this year, it may be a bottoming year. Now, if we go above 110,000, 120,000, then I would change my trajectory. But as far as what I see it now for what it is, a lot of people are going to give you hopium and hype But Bitcoin continues to go down and down and down if you're zooming out. If you're zooming out, it looks as if we already talked. Now, how low can Bitcoin go? That's the ultimate question. I have Bitcoin. Bitcoin, according to the Fibonacci retracement, can go as low as 35K or a little lower. Bitcoin can go as low as 35K or even lower, which means altcoins is going to take a hit, which means that this is the time if you missed out on the 2022, 2023 accumulation phase, you get to do it again in 2026, 2027. By 2028, we blasting off again to new highs, right? We blasting off again to new highs. OG got it. 300 said the truth shall set you free in 2026 till infinity. No cap. Yeah, the truth shall set you free. It should. The truth is something that I believe in, you know? This is why I like crypto too, because, and a lot of people don't understand right now that crypto is being manipulated. We have Wall Street in crypto. So it's a lot of things that's supposed to happen with crypto that because the hands that be don't want you to really succeed, they're going to make it kind of hard for you as far as your psyche, as far as manipulating the market. So it's on you. This is why conviction is so important. Find a project that you actually believe in that actually has utility. Hint, hint, Bitcoin. That's just one. And not financial advice, but dollar cost average. $25 here, $15 here, $30 there, $100 here, $200 there. Like you got to play the game because that's the game that they're playing. It don't matter if the price is high or low. They're going to be accumulating. You want to know why? Because it's only X amount of it around. So yeah, you could play the trading game. I don't really play the trading game. This is why I'm so victorious with crypto. I don't really play the trading game. I play the accumulation game. I buy and then I'll wait, even if I gotta wait 2, 3, 4 years. The question is, how long can you wait? I wait that long until my price point is hit and then I sell. People are making it difficult by going in and out of markets and they wonder why their portfolio is flipped upside down. Let me repeat. People are making this thing so difficult and wonder why their portfolio is being flipped upside down. It's being flipped upside down simply because it's too much activities. And not only that, people not even thinking about this fact. Do you know every time that you transfer crypto or you swap crypto out, it's considered a tax event? Every time you do that to crypto, it's considered a tax event. So you're getting taxed too. Crypto isn't tax free, though I think it should be. This is why people is moving to Thailand and everything else, because certain places crypto is tax free. I don't know what the United States is waiting on, but you know the hands that be, the IRS and everything, they want their money too because that's what supposedly stimulate the economy. That's what supposedly stimulate the economy. Um, Mel Jip 6 said, hello, what's going on? Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. OG Got It 300 said, just say no to taxable events. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if the United States is supposed to be the crypto capital or it's on its way to be the crypto capital of the world. They're getting beaten right now. There's other places that's 10 times more crypto friendly. Dubai, for example, crypto friendly. Dubai is considered crypto friendly. A lot of places around the world are crypto friendly. You got places in Amsterdam, crypto towns, crypto city. They accept crypto. The United States, we're kind of late on these things, right? People want to be able to transact in different currencies. The United States want to be the only currency, but they're slowly. One thing I can say that the Wall Street is doing that people aren't paying attention to that I've noticed is that Wall Street, they got the Genius Act, correct? The Clarity Act is damn near finished, correct? I think they kicked that down the road. They're going to do the Clarity Act. What this is going to do is it's going to move institution in, and they're going to be minting their own stable coins, right? They're going to be minting their own stable coins, and that allows them to print money not once, but twice. That allows them to print money not once, but twice. So things like Coinbase, as far as what's on the stock market, Coinbase is responsible for a lot of transactions, right? It's the most used crypto app in the United States. Now you have Tether, which they're trying to be US friendly. It's a lot of different things that people aren't paying attention to. But like I say, Bitcoin can go all the way down to 35K. So the question is, would you have some money on the side, work some overtime, do what you have to do, and keep some money on the side so when it's time to dollar cost average, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging as it goes down. Because I'm saying 35K may be the bottom, but it's no guarantee. What if it just goes to 40K? What if it goes less and goes to 27? Even better. So I'm saying it all to say pay attention to what's going on out here. I'm going to be keeping you guys updated. Once again, I'm Crypto Doe, here to share everything I know with you guys so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Another episode of the Crypto Doe Show. Put on your